Defend, he'll win. Yo,
Shipper,
careful,
shipper,
yo, wala tayong
shipper.
defenses, wala tayong defenses, okay, wala tayong
Nice,
defenses.
nice, nice.
Care. No bonk. They don't have engage. No shaper engage, no, heal front.
May Hodge sa gate.
Yeah, careful on the gate,
NV.
Okay, anong game V?
NV bot si Zancher.
Okay, akala ko, Yo, bonk it. Everyone OC now.
Sumisilip yung Hodge. Hodge.
They now have a bomb squad also. Listen, enemies.
Shipper.
Okay, good. Yo, ilang percent yan? Sabihin mo sa akin pag 1% na lang,
Exit na ako, Mogi.
9, 7.
Okay, yo, don't smash it. Don't fully smash it. Okay, just leave it like 3% or 1%. Okay, yo, no, full smash now. Everyone get ready. Southwest shallow. Get ready. Bonk. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Bakit. Come. Defend.
Nice guard run.
Guards. Come
Wala yung basta mo.
Pull back, northeast. Pull back. Okay,
Pala ka.
OC now. Okay, now bonk this other gate here, southeast side, okay? Everyone come east side. Yo, look at this tank inside. Perma engage, southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage, shallow. Ano ka makagad? Ready, defense. Come back. Cleanses. Spread northeast. Defense shallow. They color dead, okay? Hold.
Hindi pa si Zancher.
Shaper. Yo, they color dead, okay? Zancher's calling now, okay? Yo, bonk this southeast side now. Heal up on everyone, okay? Yo, Marlika, get ready. Hold. Southwest shallow. On me only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me only. Kite back east side. Come back northeast side. Yo, kite back northeast side. Ready. They're looking. Pila. Yo, main engage is coming soon. Main engage is coming soon. Come northeast. Pull back. Come southeast. Yo, we bonk this wall now. Come southeast. Yo, listen. Come southeast. Everyone come southeast. SC. Bonk this wall now. Shaper.
Shipper.
Okay, come east side. Okay. Yo, now spread east side now. Okay. Now bonk this wall now.
Marami nagbobong ka, marami siya nagbobong.
Yo, careful front, okay? Only like four people.
Brimstone or west?
Defense shallow.
Nice
No.
one.
Yo, everyone get ready. Wait, bomb coming. Careful. Shallow, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west side. Okay, kite back. Come back. He'll win. Okay, good. Come back. Yo, main engage gonna come soon, careful. Def tanks keep bonking. Ilang percent yung wall na yan?
Na-repair nila.
Yung Hodge.
Yo, shaper.
Shipper.
Yo, ilang percent yung wall na to?
Na-repair. 70.
Pre, isang tao lang nag-repair, pre.
Naka-terrate yan eh. Yung nagbubog, hindi terrate.
Dapat kayo eh.
Hindi, yun, tignan mo. Naka-terrate.
Yo, Hodge,
Hodge.
defense shallow. Yo, bomb squad's gonna come soon, careful. Southwest over the wall, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
May
Southwest
bidra.
over the wall. Oh, come back. Yo, bomb ka na come. Get ready, defenses.
Solo. Gago siya.
Yo, more hammers. Yo, shaper.
Shipper.
Yo, I need the hammers. Ready defenses, They're gonna look soon, careful.
Mag-hammer kayo.
Just hold his head, yes.
Nag-hammer.
Pwede nyo rin, yung iba pwede rin hammer yung wall na to eh. Careful, Ilang percent?
40, 46.
Okay.
Looking,
Looking, ready defenses. Yo, careful, help front.
Nice bedrock.
Defense shallow. Okay, good. They miss. Everyone start bonking now.
May min-engage pa,
No, that was main engage.
Bomb squad yun.
No, that was main engage.
Main yun, main daddy, main.
Bam.
Shipper.
Shaper. Okay. Yo, help front. Just keep bonking. Southwest shallow, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Come back agad. Come back agad. Cleanses, come back. You're ready defense on me. Ready defense on the J. Okay, then bonk. Smash it. Smash. Ready defenses in the front.
Enemy color.
Main color looking, Ready, careful. Yo, careful, careful. Raymond, too deep, man. You're a bedrock with a demon armor. You don't need to be that close.
15, 10, 10, 10, 10.
Okay. Defense shallow, defense shallow,
Shipper,
defense shallow.
shipper.
Now
Yung
full
bottom
bonk
man,
this.
nasa-
You look at me. On top of me. 5. Wait after the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me, everything on me, everything on me, everything on me. Okay, color
Nice
dead.
one.
Catcher dead, okay? Now hold, come back.
May color pa, may color pa, may color pa.
Yeah. Main color there. Main color still there, okay? Just bonk that. Destroy that wall, okay? Yo, listen, we just fire. Yo, careful. Too many northeast. Good.
Oh my God.
Tangina eh.
Ina.
Ang retarded nyo kasi eh. Ba't ang dami nyo kasi dun? Ba't ang dami nyo dun?
Naglulot sila.
Stupid fucks, man. You start bonking this.
Saan ako
1%
namatay?
Mugya. Basag na.
Yeah, seriously, man. Seriously. Fix yourselves. Bonk this other wall. Fucking retards, man. Fucking retards.
Looking ah.
Yeah, waiting for a gear.
Bam, bam,
Defense
bam.
shallow.
Nasa
Everyone,
left
southwest,
natin.
southwest, everyone. Get ready.
Ay,
Yo,
putang yun.
west side, shallow. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side, shallow. Okay, back northeast mo. Kahit back northeast mo na. Yo, come northeast mo na. Northeast, north. Keep kiting. Let them walk out. Yo, careful front. Help front. Keep them northeast, okay? Yeah.
Forgive me. Thank you.
I'm gonna wait for the gears. 5
Sayang.
people dead in party 1? Seriously.
Nakatingin sa ano dead body.
Naka-NB yung yung bomber na lang.
Spread northeast.
Yung
Naka-envy yung
999,
Scarlet.
yung 999, di ba nila kasama yun, di ba? Kasama ba nila yun? Solo ba? Rat bomber yun eh.
Nabam kami ng nasa likod.
Yung
Sa
Yan, kasi yung loot. Maya na kayo mag-loot.
Walang nakatingin.
Tama mo, loot. Putang ina.
Looking na sa'yo looking na.
Tata nga rin eh.
Hold north. Ready to headbutt. I'm waiting for the gears.
Halatang namatay sa loot sa dead body.
Comes out. Yeah, they have a bomb squad on
Okay,
the
walang
south.
mark daw, Dandy.
Yeah. Fine. Minark ko yung hodge nila. Yo, start bonking this south wall. Ready defenses ha. Spread kayo east side. Huwag kayo north side. Spread kayo east side. Yo, if ever they go out, we kite south ha. If ever they go out, we kite south, okay? Just spread. Yo, somebody watch my south side in case bombs
Coming,
there.
bomb.
Defense shallow. Heal fall.
It's fine.
Oh, now bonk.
Sakit na.
Oh, shipper.
Shipper.
Stay far away from it and just bonk these walls here.
42 ah. Patulong
Yo,
ako.
careful, they're looking. Ready? Everyone, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Come back. Okay, just hold. Heal up. Yeah, bomb squad still gonna come. Okay?
Shaper.
Shaper coming. Baka mag-deep yung shaper ah.
Nandito naman lang yung bomb nasa south.
Shaper. Defenses. Okay. Oh,
Dalawa
don't.
na shaper.
Bonk this wall. Yung tingnan nyo lang na shaper, yung problema yung GM ng Helios. Yun lang. Yo, careful north side. Ang dami nyo dyan sa north side.
10 na
Death
to,
tanks.
10 na to, ah.
Yeah, Death tanks ang dami dyan sa north side.
Coming.
Defense shallow. Everyone west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow. Ay, come back. Yo. Listen. If they engage, pa-heal yun na lang. Okay? Di ba nag-engage sila? West side? Nakikita nyo? Pag nag-engage sila, i-heal nyo, ka-counter-engage natin. Okay?
Broken na to ah.
Hold. Ay, comes out. Yo,
Reset
take
lang.
space. Take space a bit, okay? Yo, can somebody break this wall here, southwest?
They're looking, ah.
Yeah, ready. Fake only. Southwest, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Oh, come back. Yeah, actually, okay. We try something else, okay? And then engage, pop your potion, walk in. We're gonna engage backline, okay? Potions, okay? Because you need to pass the guardian armors, or I mean the knight armors, okay? On their next main engage, get ready. Deftanks, get ready to walk in and hold them, okay? You're ready your potion, get ready. Their engage is gonna come. Get ready to pop your potion, okay? Kahit pa GA yung backline nila, para lang ma-set up, okay? Get ready.
Sige, mag-catch ko yung backline.
Ready your potions, okay? No fear. Ready, full defend and pop your pods, ah. Ready. Looking, okay? Ready your potions, okay? Okay, wait. Just hold.
Coming.
Hold. Wait. Step up, everyone. Pop your pots southwest. Walking deep. Walking deep. Just walk. Everything on the gate. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. And now.
Good shit.
Come back now. Hold them. Death Tank help everyone. Okay, come. Yo, ready. They're looking. Defense shallow. Oh, everyone, walk in. Death Tank hold them.
Up.
Okay, Death Tank walk in. 7 seconds. Hold them on the gate. Hold them on the gate. Okay. Take space out now. You're on the gate. On the gate. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Kill this guys. Okay. Now spread east side. Take space east side. Take space east side. Heel front. Okay. Yo, spread east side. Okay.
Baka
Yo,
late.
Patay si Bamo.
start killing the guards inside. Start killing the guards inside. Heal me. Stop staying on the choke.
Patay ako,
Man.
patay ako. Patay nga na
Heal me. Yeah. Ready defenses, okay? They're gonna look us. Take space east side, okay? Def Tanks watch my front.
Oh,
Pabog nito.
Kill the guards. Open the gate back sa likod. Yo, heal no name. Yo, take space southeast side. Take space southeast side.
Huwag i-regearing malayo mong support ha.
Yeah, take space southeast side. Yo, open the gate behind, okay? Yo, clear the guards, okay? Ready absorb one, okay? Ready absorb one, okay? Wait. Ready? Looking, defense shallow. Shaper. Okay. Wait. Yo, healing hood, get ready. Look at the gate. Healing hood. On the gate. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Come back.
may shit bomb sa likod ah. Uy, papasok sa
come back.
southeast.
Spread.
Naging B ah.
Spread.
Ingat.
Naging
Yo,
B na.
get out of the choke. Why are you all on the choke? Come southeast. Push southeast now. Push this. Why are you guys all on the choke? Dude, alam niyo na nga, it was already called that there was a bomb there, but you guys tried to stay on the choke, man. Come follow me, Marlika, follow me. Follow me. You destroy this wall here. Destroy this wall on the west side. I already said,
Nalabas sila.
there's a, yeah. Okay. Get ready. Southwest, look at southwest. Daddy B, get ready. Southwest 5, southwest 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. No. Now come back. Full kite now. Ready, absorb. Hold them, Death Tanks. Hold them. Spread northeast. Spread northeast. Okay. Spread northeast. Keep spreading. Defend now. Defend shallow. Demons. Heal up. Demons and heals.
Nice.
You destroy this wall here. Destroy this wall. Yo, we start killing tanks inside I'm waiting for my life curse and I'm waiting for my root bond. Yo, everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Kill this guards here. Kite back muna. Kite back is.
Pwede mo patayin yung fortune eh.
Yung Foxy Rune.
Ah, Foxy Rune.
Looking.
Ready. Defend. Help no name.
Sige na ano ko.
Help no name.
Grabe
Okay.
tong Foxy Rune, yung one hammer.
Sige. Okay.
Ingat ah. Southeast merong bomb yung
Yo,
brawler, yung gloves bomb southeast.
Yo, bonk this. Pa-watch ng south side yan. Kill the guards here. Yo, ready. They're gonna look. Ready your potions again. We're gonna go deep again.
Silence ko.
Yo, listen.
Engage siya,
Okay.
nag-engage. Fully
Yo,
engage.
yeah. You look at the tank inside. 5. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Na. Okay, come back. Daddy B, pag ganun, hatak lang. Wag mo i-guard, wag mo i-earth rune.
Wala akong hatak, nakamuli,
Sige. E di, ano mo, i-ganunin mo muna bago ka magano.
Sorry, di ko natamaan. Shaper.
Spreads. Yeah, destroy this gate. Destroy this wall south side. We need space, guys. Destroy
Full
the
heal
wall.
ko, full heal, please.
Full heal ng front ko. Ready defenses, okay? They're looking. Yeah, ready your potions. We're gonna walk in again and go. Okay, wait, walk in.
Taga-thread
Walking deep. Southwest, look at the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Send me. Ano, come back. Sige. They cleric or something. Okay, come northeast. Sige, spread now. Spread outside. The bomb is. Main engage gonna look soon. Heal ratios.
Ratios, harap.
Heal ratios. Okay, now
Full
heal
heal
up.
lang, wait lang.
Yo, smash this walls outside. You ready? Defense north. Look at me. DPS, look at me. Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Kill the tank inside. Okay, now spread east side. Sige. Spread east side.
Bomb
Yo, listen.
northeast.
Come north. Yeah, watch out. Yo, listen. Pag nag-engage
Bagay,
ako,
bagay,
careful south. Yo, defend
Okay na. Nag-mount.
front. Okay, nice. Yo, listen, if I say engage on top of me, can I get guard runes on top of me?
Basag na tong wall dito.
Okay,
Engage
everyone get
kami.
ready.
Okay,
Defense. Oh my
Ayaw.
god.
3% na to.
Defenses.
Shaper.
Shaper. Everyone southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Nice, come back. Yo, pag wala kayong boots, pag wala kayong potions, pag wala kayong kahit anong defenses, huwag niyo i-force.
Alis na kayo.
Spread northeast. Yo, pa-break nitong wall, may sira na to eh.
2% na to. Guys.
Can you
Yo,
build
ready.
box zero?
Okay, spread. They're looking. Careful inside. Heal Cerezo, why are you that deep? Why are you there? Why? Why is my DPS dying far north side? Konti na nga ng DPS ko eh. Ready. Everyone defend shallow. South shallow. Walk. Just walk.
Hindi ka magi, ah.
Just walk. Shaper.
Shaper east side.
Just walk. Southwest. South. Look at south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southside. Oh, now come northeast. Hill front. Come east. Hill front. Come east. The whole bomb squad's dead. Come east.
Bomber.
Yeah, they miss. Push this east.
Ibang bomber. South.
Push this, guys.
Ito,
Push
annoying
southeast,
to
push
mga
southeast.
to. Annoying yung mga
Okay,
yan.
now come back. Come back. Okay, come west. Yeah, get ready pots, ready your potions. We're gonna walk in again. Get ready your potions. We're
Wala
gonna
ako
walk in.
mogi
Wait. Step up a bit.
10 seconds.
Take space now. Take space now. You get ready. Pop potion. Walking deep. West deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Come back. They're gonna turn here. Ready defenses. They're gonna turn here. Give me knight armors and come back northeast. Come northeast.
They fail.
Okay.
Saber.
Yeah. Now take space southeast side now. Wag kayo magstay outside. Take space inside Terry. Maharlika, take space inside Terry and kill the guards. Okay?
Nandito
na ulit ako. Yo, get ready Give me a GA setup Wait, I'm gonna tell you when, okay? Wait If they clump up, you see this west side here? Eto, kung nasaan ako west side. Pag nag-clump up sila dito pa setup ng west side, okay? Mag-re-react ako na mabilis. Yo, ready DPS ready Kill the guards inside DPS. Focus on the guards. Qs on the guards. Ready defenses Hodge is looking. Ready defenses. Hodge is looking. Ready defenses, okay? Yo, my tanks, you can start blocking the gate there, northwest side, okay? Yo,
May
careful,
mage pala.
Yeah, I see the mage. Huwag kayo sa south side banda. Dito lang, sa east side ko lang. Okay, pabonk na tong gate na to. Pabonk tong gate na to. Okay, pabonk tong gate na to. Just hold. Yeah, why am I missing now a DPS MLT?
Andito ako sa baba. Wala akong pangbong.
Si Cerezo, wala pa si Cerezo.
Okay. Yo, Qs and Ws in this mage naman. Yo, Shaper.
Shaper.
Yo, ready defenses. Oh, everything, wait. Qs and Ws on this J. Southwest on the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello?
Come back.
Oh.
Okay, now spread. Reset. Yo, destroy this gate. And actually, no. Come northeast. Cannot. Can we take space here? Yo, start bonking this, wall here. Take space here. Watch the side ko. Everyone take space northeast side. My healers can stay on the choke there, east side. Just ready defenses, ready your potions. Start bonking the walls here. Shaper. Yo, Marlika, get ready. Healing on top of me. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. Yo, listen. Heal node early, okay? If I'm gonna engage inside, heal node early. Inside, okay? Brawl inside.
QW naman ng mga tank na nasa loob, Ang dami.
Yeah, Qs and Ws on the tanks inside. Careful, spread northeast side.
Tara, this day, buong tayo. Shaper, sorry,
Kill the
looking,
guards here, kill the guards, kiss and W's. Shaper's looking, okay? Yo, get ready, healing nodes on top of me. Get ready, healing nodes on top of me. I wanna kill the tanks. I wanna kill the tanks, man. Kill these guards
Northeast yung
inside.
indie bomb.
Yo, yeah, defense shallow, defense shallow, defense shallow. Okay,
Shipper,
wait,
shipper.
wait, wait. Yo, get ready, healing. Yo, help. Okay, no. Listen. Wait. West side, look at west side. Healing node west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healing node west side. Ah, nice. Come back. Good job.
Pag-guards, kawawa yung healer.
He's in the base ng guards. You bonk this wall here. Bonk the walls here. Bonk the walls here.
Pahil sila ratios.
Pahil front. Pahil.
Sa akin,
ng
Yasu.
front. Kill the guards.
Shaper.
Shaper southeast side. Yo, ready. Healing node on top, okay? Yo, how many percent is that wall? Pabonk ng wall.
70.
Pabonk ng
Mugi may
wall.
mga north. May gumagalaw pa north.
I see it.
Nag-invi si Judge.
Kasatis. Heal near. Kasatis. Come east, heal near. Kasatis. Heal node, get ready. Look at the gate, west side. Heal node, get ready. West side. Wait. Yo, look at the tanks west side, okay? Heal nodes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heal node. Yo, much earlier, guys.
Dismount na sa east yung yung cheater bomber.
Shaper.
Walkies. East. Hello, not following me. Hello. Yo, comes out. Pakatch nga. Ah, never mind, di nakatch. Okay.
Sobrang annoying nung nakakapatay sila eh.
Reset na.
Reset ka na. Yo, can we kiss and W's on this, on this battle mount? Pa-dismount na to eh. Yo, get ready. Healing node, can you set up already on top of the tanks already? Yo, get ready wait. Careful front. Hold.
Looking na.
Hold.
Looking na.
Careful. West side Wait. Yo, healing node west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Hit everything on me. Everything on me. No,
Shipper.
Diman. Good. Come back. Heal up front. Heal up. Yo, careful. Ready side. Yo, kailangan natin mapatay yung mga tanks sa taas natin. Lancely, low HP ka na. Pwede ka na mag-out dyan. Hello? Lancely?
Patay si Lance.
Ay, hindi ka pa mamatay. Yo, look at inside on the tanks. Healing node on inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healing node inside. Yo, can I get guard rune fast on top of me? Okay, good yun. Everyone just hold.
Looking,
Yo, hold. They're looking, Get out of the gate. Shaper. Yo, careful north side. Ba't ang daming tanks sa north side?
Oh, patay.
Oh my God.
Tatangan nyo. Come northeast. Tatangan nyo. Yung buong leg nyo nasa south side, nasa southeast side. Anong dinedepensa nyo sa north side? Sabihin nyo sana, anong dinedepensa nyo sa north side? Explain.
Hill front.
What are you guys defending on north side? Tell me why you have to be so stupid. Tell me. What's on the north side? There's a wall there. Majority of my zergs on the southeast side, on the east side. So why are you north side? Why? Yeah, think about it.
Yung
Ready, everyone. Healing nodes, get ready. Look at west side. Healing nodes, west side. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back. They're gonna look here. Ready defenses. 4 tanks dies on the north side. And I wonder why, to be honest. I really wonder why. Reset your cooldown.
they're moving out,
Yeah, let
Careful.
them. Ready your potions. We're gonna walk in deep. Ready, poppy pots walking deep. Def tanks so them southwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest side. More damage. Spread east side. Okay, nice try.
Come
Northeast. Defend now. Full defend. Full heals. Okay, now spread northeast. Kill Yotob. Why is Yotob dying?
Ay.
Why is Yotob dead?
Shaper.
Come northeast.
Pinatay siya ng bomb na ano.
Lumayo siya sa third.
Nice. Ay, si Bal. Ay, naku. Ganun pa ako kinamamatay. Everyone get ready. Fuck. Ang bobo ng tanks ko, naiinis ako. Wait lang. Looking Up front. Okay, wait. Everyone, full send it west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything in the west side.
Uy!
Shaper, demon that shaper. Come back. Spread northeast now. Yeah, we're gonna bait them outside Terry now. Come northeast. Yo, cleanses, Guardian. Come northeast. Come northeast, Guardian. Come.
Si Wayne.
Keep coming. Help Wayne. Keep coming north. Okay, walk out. Follow, Zerg. Follow. Death Knocks if you die. If you die again. Oh. Waiting for my DPS trigger. How many people in party 2 DPS?
Dalawa.
Okay. I need more DPS.
DPS pala ako. Wait, yan.
Okay, these guards. Are they following?
4 minutes, OC.
Yeah, double OC. Are they following?
Hindi.
Following.
Check your food.
Are they not following?
No.
Hindi. Nakamount sila.
Lumalabas yung iba.
Yeah. Try to catch if you can.
Andito yung soul site
Southwest shallow. Get ready. 5. Everything on the J. 4, 3,
Ay!
1. Full engage on the J. On the J. Okay, now wait, they're gonna turn
Dismounted,
here.
dismounted.
They're gonna turn here. Okay, they're gonna turn here. Okay. Ready. Defenses. Defend shallow now. Everyone walking. Deft and hold them. Everyone pop a potion and walking. Yo, we're gonna kill the tanks inside of us. DPS find me. Everything get ready. Northeast side, on top of me. 5. Wait, after the night armors. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Some more damage. Let's spread northeast now. They're gonna come here. Spread northeast. They're gonna come here. Spread. Yo, Zancher's inside. Spread. Malika, spread.
Hindi yung Shitter Bomb east side. Shitter Bomb east side.
Defenses, okay? Heal northeast. Okay,
Shitter Bomb
now-
east side. Nag-inb.
Wait, Malika, wait, spread. Demon now, inside, okay? Walk southwest. Malika, we're gonna
Patay.
engage again, on top,
Hindi ko full in.
Ali, bakit ka nandyan?
Likod.
Come northeast.
Sumusunod sila,
Death
Mugi.
Tanks, my fucking DPS, my Death Tanks, my DPS, I'm out of DPS, my Death Tanks are dying.
Mugi, sumusunod sila.
Holy shit, man, Just walk. DPS are you guys gonna regear? I'm gonna wait. If you guys are gonna regear, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah.
Second food. Just walk. I need dismounted.
Yung iba, dismounted yung iba.
Diyan Daryl, nasa
Kapal
bridge.
ako ng shaper,
Pakatch.
Nakatch ko to
Saan?
Kailan. Tatalon ako yan, shaper na yan.
Ping.
Umalis.
Kaya rest eh.
Umalis.
Wait lang. Wala.
How many DPS party 2?
Tatlo.
Nawala na
Okay,
yung
sige.
shaper, nawala na.
Everyone, catch this, guys. Catch front. Kill front.
Ay, gago.
Tingnan nyo, mali pa na
On the
huli
bridge,
mo.
on the bridge.
Yeah, spread northeast side now. Just hold. Your double OC food up. Please, guys.
Dismounted sa bridge.
Yeah. Let them pass through. I swear, if somebody dies on the choke, I'm gonna fucking fume. Shaper, careful. Shaper.
Kaming shaper ata. At lang.
Yo. I'm waiting for DPS. Trigger. I'm waiting for Spike. I see Spike. Ano, Squid? Pangatlong beses mo na namatay this city.
Andre. May
Pangatlong beses mo na namatay. Come northeast. Dude, can they fucking play open world? Yo, can you catch this? Patayin nyo lahat ng makita nyo.
Sumusunod sila, Mugi.
Yeah. They're passing the choke?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, kamis pa. Yo, Death Tanks, ang layo nyo sa akin. Kamis pa. Na-spread. You get ready to hold them on the choke. Don't let them, don't let them go back to the choke. Yo, ready. Pajay na choke. Yo, pajay na choke. Everything on the choke. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Yo, demon in front. Come east. Come back. Spread now. Spread northeast. Okay. Now wait. Walk in now. Get ready to pop your potions. Just walk in. Guard. Yo, ready Wait, walk in. Okay, pop your potion now. Potion now. South side. Potion, south side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Now walk in. Keep walking. Now spread now. They're gonna turn you. Defenses, full event. Yo, can you guys spread instantly? After engaging, spread instantly. Heal front. Yo, heal. Where are the healers? Chrono died because there's no healer. Keep walking. No fear. Keep walking. We win open world. Keep walking. Def tank, you look at me southwest. 5, south, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Hit this on me. Now spread again. They're gonna look. Spread again. They're gonna look. Now defense now and walk in. Defense and walk in. Keep pushing. Def tank, keep holding. Def tank, keep holding. GA if you can, keep holding. Full hold now. Look at this choke here on me. Look at Zancher. Everything on Zancher. Get ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Kill guys inside. Okay, now spread northeast now. Get out of the choke again. Spread northeast. You declump. I know they're looking. Defense east side. Okay. Now hold. Come back north. Yo, healers, if I say full push, just push it, man. You know, you can play on the sides. Ang tagal dun ni Chrono. Nag-aantay ng il. Wala, patay. Can you guys, if I tell you,
Nag-GG kami sa bridge.
didn't you guys pop your potions?
CD kasi yung big heal ko.
Come notice. You kill this. Ano? Lumalabas ba sila ulit? Come notice.
Wait, let me check.
Sumusunod sila.
Let them follow. We can fight them, ano. KFPD is mass. They have, ano. Come notice.
Where's our looter? Can I
Following sila.
Yeah, everyone get ready. Boots up, he said.
May stop ko tumugi sa choke. Putang ina mo.
Boots up, he said. Wait lang. Bakit? Yung mantap.
Crossing sila.
Wait. Sige. Dismount comes out. Saan sila?
Wala, hindi tumuloy.
Yung mantap. Are they not walking out? Comes out is. Pa-watch. Everyone comes out. Smart. Come west side. Catch if you can. Catch all of them here. Catch them. Wala man lang na-catch.
Risk mount na. Makakatch mo.
Okay. Come back northeast. Sige.
Guys, ang layo nyo.
Come back east. Let them. We pull them back. They keep hiding in the territory. Come back.
Maiwan na.
Yo, don't attack that beetle. Just keep cutting. Are they coming?
Yeah. Just dito na yung mga tank nila nasa harap.
Yo, follow me. Hello.
Ba't nagpunta sa choke?
Hello. Follow me.
Turtle, mahuhuli ko tong turtle. Malayo to masyado.
Chill. Sige. Huli mo. Come northwest. Catch him.
Ito yung
Catch him. West side. Look at west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow on me.
Kasi yung DPS nila.
Ay.
Hindi ko makita yung DPS nila. Puro top
Come east
yan.
side. Come south east side. Take space outside. Come south.
Andito yung andito
Come
yung
south.
ibang
Keep
mugi.
coming south. Just follow me. Come south. They're hiding inside their territory. Come south.
Catch ko tumugi. Andito sila.
Ang layo niyan, pre. 2 screens away yan. Come southeast. Mantap nga. Puro sila territory. Yo, Raymond, catch mo na. Nandiyan ka na rin naman eh.
Putang ina,
Nahuli
natulak
lahat,
pa ako.
nahuli.
South shallow, southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. Okay, now push in and spread. 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 Hold them. Hold them. Push in and spread. They're gonna engage you now. Get ready defenses. Push in and spread. Defense now. Proper potion defense now. Okay, keep walking northwest now. We're gonna full engage on the choke. Get ready. Hold them on the choke. Full hold on the choke, please. Full hold on the choke, please. Full hold on the choke. Everything. Send it on the choke. Send it on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. 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 More DPS. Okay, come back. Sige, come back. Wala na, come back. Miss opportunity. They don't have engage yet. Miss opportunity. Defense shallow. Nice defenses. Okay? Sold. Tayo, dami na sayang oras dito. Teteri lang sila. Yeah, DPS, ready. Load Zancher. Everything on Zancher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on Zancher. Come back.
Si Jan.
Yo, they're gonna engage. Engage coming soon. Ready your potions. Do you have potions?
Yeah.
Yo, listen, get
Pop,
ready.
ready
Step up.
pa.
Yo, pots walking. Guard rune, pots walking. Hold them. Yo, I'm north side on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Send it. More damage. Comes out. I mean, dude, the reason bakit pinapop-up ko kayo ng potion kasi mas madali eh. Defense shallow.
Yung biba mo sa south ng invis ah. South side.
Spread. Demon behind. Kick kami southwest. Yo, come on. Catch this guy. Catch this guy.
Hindi yan, yung nag-mount up.
North side. Yun nasa north side. Man, catch nyo.
Ingat over the
Yo,
wall.
careful over the wall. Nag-engage sila. Sige lang. Catch that guy. Wala ba makakatch sa kanya? Fucking solo bomber there. Keep
Yo,
on.
butain!
Sa likod.
Ano yung movement?
Tigil na natin to. Come northeast. Tumisa pag may nahuli ah. Regroup